What's up guys, what's going on? It's your boy Savik Graphics. In this short tutorial I want to show you how to design a test effect like this. I did this for a birthday celebrant and then I got some questions on how I did this test effect. So if this interests you, stick around this video. So I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how I did this. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Now is to create my new page. Ctrl N to create my new page. Okay, and then the size I will use for that is, I'm not going to do the design actually, just the test effect, so we'll be fast about that. So the size I will use for that is, okay, let me change the unit to inches. Then the size I will use for that is 8 by 8. Okay, that's cool. And I'll actually fill this with a white color. Okay, then the next thing I'll do is, I want to copy the fill which I use for this. What I'll do is, I'll just go and create a rectangle like this. Then I press G on my keyboard to activate the gradient fill. Then I draw something like this. Then I have to click on this part. Okay, choose this part. Then I pick up the color eyedropper. Then I fill this part with this color. Yeah, fill that with this color. Yeah, and then I'll pick up this white part again. Pick up the color eyedropper. And I fill that with this color here. Okay, I think this is cool. Alright, yeah, this is what I want. So I want this cool. Now remove the outline here. I'll actually create another rectangle, something like this. Then I'll fill this. I'll pick up my color eyedropper, my gradient fill. Press G on your keyboard to activate the gradient fill. Okay, pick up this part, pick up the color eyedropper too. Then I'll fill it with this color here. Alright, then I'll pick up this white part also, pick up the color eyedropper too. Then I fill it with this color here. Alright, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Okay, and the next thing I'll do is, I will just copy this to the new page which I have created. Selector, Ctrl C to copy. Right, Ctrl C to copy. I don't know why my system is slow today. Sorry for that. Then I go to my new page. Once I'll fill this with the white color, Ctrl V to paste. Alright, this is the gradient fill. Then the next thing I'll do is, I'll type in the test. I'll type it here. Let me see the right, and the font I use for this is Go Bold Low. That is the font I use. You can head up to dafonts.com to search for this font and get your font to do this also. This is the font I actually use. Alright, the next thing, I'll change the type case to, let me say, title case. Okay, title case, you see, title case, something like this. Let me zoom a little bit so that you can see. I'll transform. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is, I'll Ctrl K to break the text. Okay, this is the B. Let me hold a little bit, and this is the I. I'll move the I up here, something like this. Sorry, let me increase a little bit. This is the R. Okay, this is the T. Okay, Don't worry, I'm going to arrange this in such a way that you will like it. I'll move, let me select the D here like this, then I'll move it down. Okay, okay, then the next thing now, I'll convert this text to a shape. Okay, I'll Ctrl Q to convert to shape. Then I head up to my shape tool. The shortcut for that is F10. So head up to my shape tool. Let me zoom so that I can see. Then pick up my shape tool, and then I will hold this part here, this middle part here, and then I draw up. Make sure that while you are drawing, you will see this line. Once it's like this, it's not on a straight line. Make sure it is on a straight line while doing this. Okay, so I drag up, make sure it's on a straight line. Boom, this on a straight line. I think this looking pretty good. Then let me hold this a little bit. Then this is what we got, and then the next thing I'll do is I'll head up to this A again. Before I continue, I want to set a guideline for this. Any other thing I will be doing, I want this D and A to be on the same line. Okay, so I'll move this thing down here. Boom, it's okay. You can actually see this Y is on the same line with them. Okay, you can see it's on the same line with them. Now we can continue. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is I will like to drag this up again. This A, I'll convert to shape. Ctrl A to convert to shape, and then pick up. Sorry, I'll pull this a little. Move this Y here. Pull this a little. And draw here, something like this. And then next thing I'll do is I will rotate this T. First of all, I'll convert to a shape. Ctrl Q to convert. Then I rotate. Sorry, mirror vertical. This is what I want. And zoom out. I think this looking pretty much good. And then I will pick up my shape tool, and then the next thing I will do, I will just drag down. Make sure it's on a straight line. Okay, it's not yet on a straight line. It's on a straight line now, and this is what I want. Then I'll move this up. Okay, then I'll bring this Y here. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll convert this Y to a shape. Ctrl Q to convert, and then I'll pick up my shape tool again to draw this up again. I'm still going to adjust the T, zoom so that I can see. Ctrl Z, pick up my shape tool. I think once you zoom, it will be better for you to get it on a straight line. Yeah, boom, it's okay like this. And then I'll move this Y to closer to the A. I'll move that screw. Then I have to reduce this T a little. Okay, this Y here. This A here. Right, this is what I want. And then I'll pick up my shape tool, and this part also I'll draw this part down again. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, and then I'll convert this H to a shape again. I believe this our test effect is looking pretty much good. I'll convert to shape. H to shape, Ctrl Q to convert, pick up my shape tool. Let me zoom so that we can see. Sorry, zoom, pick up my shape tool, and then I'll drag this back down. Okay, I believe it's on a straight line now. Boom, this is what we are having. And then I want to adjust this IRT, somehow scattered. So the next thing I'll do is I would like to hold this again, actually transform this way. Boom. Then convert this to shape, Ctrl Q to convert, Ctrl Q to convert, pick up my shape tool, transform this. Sorry, it's not on a straight line. Boom, this is what I have. Then I'll bring it down. Okay, boom, this is what I have. Then this arrow, I'll bring the arrow down again. Boom. I'll shift this Y closer to the A. Then bring up this T on the Y. Bring it down, bring it down. Alright, and the next thing I'll do, I would like to make this R a little bit bigger. So I'll right click down, then I'll move, then I leave to copy. This is what I want, something like this. Boom, it's okay. And then I think everything's alright. And the next thing I'll do is I'll go and pick up my fill tool, fill, which I've created, move it here, and then I'll start filling them with the fill tool. So I'll right click to move on top. If you move on top, then you leave, then you see option copy fill here, then you copy the fill here. Do that to the eye also, copy fill here. Do that to the R also, copy fill here. You know the R are 2, so I'll copy again. Okay, copy fill here, right, and then T, copy fill here, and then our H, copy fill here. Boom, this is what we are having. So I will just group the R together so that it will be one. Ctrl G to group. Okay, and then I will rotate this. I will rotate this rectangle, this copy fill. Once you want to rotate, if you click once, click again, it will show up these arrows at the edge. And the next thing I'll do is I'll just rotate this way. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is the way I did for the H and this thing, I'll copy here, copy here. Sorry, next now I'll just drag on the top, then I'll say copy fill here, drag here, copy fill here, drag here, copy fill here. Alright, this our test effect. It's looking pretty much good. And then I will just adjust the copy fill, Ctrl G, so that I can adjust. Then I'll just move it this way. Sorry, down. I want that part to be down. Then I draw. That's what I want. Okay. Do that to the A also, G. Bring this side down. Drop. Do this. Okay. Okay, this is what I want. And then the most important part of this test effect, this is what I'm going to show you now. So the next thing I'll do is I'll just go to the edge of this D. Let me zoom so that we can see very well. I'll just go to the edge of this D, and then I'll pick up my pen tool. Pick up my pen tool. It's my pen tool, and then I'll try to trace the edge of this, something like this. Alright, something like this. Sorry, I'll try to trace something like this. Don't mind my tracing, I'll soon correct everything. Trace something like this. Then go to my shape tool, then I correct everything. Reduce node. Okay, this is what I want. Let me reduce the node again. Boom, this is what I want. And then I'll fill that with a white color. I'll remove the outline. Then I will convert this thing to a shape. Okay, sorry, I'll convert this thing to a bitmap. Convert this to bitmap. Okay, make sure while doing this, sorry, let me do it so that we can see again. Convert to bitmap. Make sure while doing this, your color mode should be in RGB. Make sure this and the resolution also should be in 300. Okay, then I click it. Okay, I'll head up to the bitmap again. Go on blur, choose Gaussian blur. Wait, let it load. Sorry, let me reduce the pixels. I think the right pixels for you to use is, you should use 4.6. Okay, 4.6 will be okay. Then I hit OK, and then I will draw this. I'll reduce that a little. Right, let me draw it to the edge a little. Right, let me rotate this. Alright, okay. You have to take your time while doing this in order for you to get what I'm trying to get. Okay, let me rotate again. Sorry. Alright, this is what I want, and then I will copy this here. You see, okay, let's finish before I say what I want to say. Then I'll copy here to the edge here again, copy here. Then I have to rotate again in order to fit in this round shape of this D. I'll rotate here. Sorry, I don't know why my system is slow today about that. I don't know why my system is slow. So I rotate, okay, so that it fits into the edge of this D. Okay, I think this is looking good. Alright, let me rotate up here a little. Right, this is what I want. Then I copy this part here to this edge again. Copy here. And the next thing I'll just rotate this. Okay, this is what I want. Let me move up. This is what I want. Then I zoom out again. I think you are looking at what we are having. It's looking at like a 3D something or a mock-up something. Okay, and then I copy this here again to the A. This is what I will do to the A again. Copy here again, rotate. Then I move here, copy here again, copy, rotate. That's what I want. Alright, and then I will do that to the top of this. I'll just copy this one here, copy here. Alright, so I want something like this. Okay, and the next thing I'll do, I'll just do that to the edge of this Y again. I will copy this one. Okay, so I'll copy this one. Okay, copy here. Then I try to fit into the edge of that. Okay, move down. This looking good. Let me rotate again. Now do that to this side again. Copy here. I will just rotate something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, that's cool. Alright, this is what we are having. Now I can delete this our field, no longer using that. This is what we are having. This is looking pretty much good. Okay, and then I'll group everything together. Okay, group, control select all, and then control G to group. Then I move it to the page which I've created. Okay, this is what we are having. This is what we are having. It's looking pretty much good. So if you find this video interesting, kindly leave a like in order for you to encourage me for more tutorials.